In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Squarespace quickly and correctly so you can make your pages look cleaner, more professional, and better balanced. Whether your image is too large, too small, or just not fitting the layout the way you want, Squarespace gives you a simple way to adjust it directly inside the editor. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. First, open your website editor and click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the live page editing mode, where you can make changes directly to your site. Once you're in the editor, click directly on the image block you want to resize. As soon as you select it, you'll see a blue outline box appear around the image. This outline confirms that the image block is active, and you'll also notice 6 circular handles on the corners and edges. These handles are what you'll use to change the size of the image. Now click, hold, and drag any handle inward or outward depending on the size you want. If you drag inward, the image block becomes smaller. If you drag outward, it expands and gives the image more space on the page. As you do this, an underlying cell grid matrix will light up to guide your positioning. This is really helpful because it shows you how the image is aligning within the layout, so you can place it more accurately and keep everything visually consistent. Take your time here and adjust the image until it fits the section the way you want. If your image still doesn't look quite right, the next step is to choose the image behavior. To do that, click the pencil icon on the image toolbar and go to the Design tab. This is where Squarespace lets you decide how the image should behave inside the box. If you select Fit, the image keeps its original shape and proportions. That means the full image stays visible, and if needed, Squarespace will add clean white space inside the box to prevent cropping. This is a great option when you want to show the entire image without cutting anything off. On the other hand, if you choose Fill, the image automatically scales, crops, and stretches to lock perfectly edge to edge inside your custom bounding box. This is useful when you want a more polished, full bleed look, and you want the image to completely cover the space. So the key difference is simple. Fit shows the whole image, while Fill makes the image cover the full area. Choose the option that matches the style of your page and the look you want to create. Once you're happy with the size and behavior, just save or exit the editor, and your resized image will be updated on the live site. And that's it. That's how to resize an image in Squarespace in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website design tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.